What? Hello everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis, and today we're going to collect some seeds from our okra plants. Now okra goes by different names. Some people call them ladyfingers, some people call it gumbo. It's a plant that's very easy to grow, and some people really like it and others don't. I'm one that likes it. You can eat it raw, you can eat it fried, you can eat it baked, you can eat it in soups and stews. So there's a lot of different ways that you can use it. But today we're going to save the seeds. And there's a few reasons why we want to save the seeds. With everything that's been with seeds being harder to get every year, and then not knowing for sure what you're getting when you do order your seeds, it's a good idea just to save your own seeds. And it doesn't take much to save seeds. Just a few pods is all you need, and that will yield dozens of seeds. And the seeds are good for 2 to 3 years with proper storage. So why should we save the seeds? For one thing, if you have a ready supply of seeds, you can plant wherever. Oops. Getting a whole bunch of junk out of this cap. Okay, so why should you save seeds? You'll have a ready supply of seeds whenever you want to plant. You won't have to worry about, will they get here in time if you order them? Will they be good seeds or not? And they're free. You don't have to pay for them. You're collecting them from the plants that you ate off of all year round or all summer. So there's no buying seeds for the next season. And you know how old they are. When you buy seeds from the store, you really don't know how old they are. They've got on the packages sell by a certain date, but you know, are they from this past year? Are they from the year before? And you know what the seeds really are. You don't. When you buy seeds, you're expecting to have what they say they are inside the package. But that doesn't always work out, especially this past couple years when there's been so many mix-ups in seeds. And another thing is that you can share your seeds with other people. People who can't really afford to go out and buy the large packages or the expensive packages of seeds, and the seeds prices have definitely gone up in price. From I got a cat wants to say hi. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah, that's Fluffy. On my lap again as usual. If I sit down, the cat's here. Also, you know what you're growing. You need to it's best to pre-plan that you're going to save the seeds in the fall. And to do that, you plant like one variety of okra. And you plant one that's a heirloom or open pollinated plant. You really don't want to save the seeds from the hybrids, because you won't have the true type of plant coming back. It could be any number of things that went into that hybrid seed. That's the type of plant you can have next year. So if you stay with your heirloom brand varieties, you're going to have the same seed that is true to what the parent plant was. And those would include your Clemson, Spineless, your Red Burgundy, I got a little cheat sheet here, Emerald, Star of David, Perkins Lone Pod, Jing Orange, Hill Country Red, and Cowhorn and Blondie. Those are all heirloom seeds that you can easily save the seeds from one year to the other. You want to choose a variety of okra that grows and gives you enough time in your growing season so that it can get past the edible stage into the stage where it's ready to turn brown and become seeds for next year. Just grow one variety. Otherwise, if you want to grow more varieties, they should be planted at least 20 to 30 yards apart so that they don't cross-pollinate. When you get ready to collect and dry the seeds in the fall, select the plant that tastes the best. You only need one plant. So once you choose that one plant, let several of the pods develop past the stage where you'll eat them. They should become hard so you can't squeeze them. They'll become tough, and they will become brittle and brown on the sides with white stripes usually. Once they become like this, you remove them from the plant, squeeze the pod around a little bit and open it. The seeds will fly everywhere, so make sure that you have a large area that, usually I like to do this over something that's white so I can see the seeds. And then once you get all your pods broken open, place the seeds in a clean sealed envelope or an airtight container with the lid and place them in a cool, dark place. Some people even put them in the refrigerator. I usually just put mine in an envelope and put them in with the other seeds. And I leave those out on the enclosed porch, which is cooler, and they're in this case, so they're dark. So that's where I keep my seeds at. Alright, when you're harvesting your okra for seeds, you do not want these green ones. You want to wait until they get like this. They're brown, they have the white stripe, and they come off really easy. And that is what you're going to be getting your seeds from. And that is what you're going to be getting your seeds from. Okay, get the seeds. It's very easy. Just pop it open, and there are your seeds. Like I said, you don't need many to get enough seeds for 1 year, for next year. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you start saving seeds. It's a cheap way to garden to help you save a little bit of money. And you know what you're getting next year, and you don't have to order seeds. You already have them. So like, share, subscribe. Dream big, follow that dream, and God bless. See you in the next video. Bye, everybody.